One of the best certifications for beginners is CompTIA Security Plus. This entry-level certification covers the basics of network security, threats, and cryptography, and is recognized by employers worldwide. Another choice is Certified Cybersecurity Entry-Level Technician, CCET, which focuses on foundational cybersecurity skills and is perfect for those just getting started. Cisco's CCNA CyberOps is also a solid option for beginners, teaching you how to monitor and protect systems from cyber threats. And if you're looking for something focused on ethical hacking, Certified Ethical Hacker, the CEH entry level, is a fantastic choice to dive into ethical hacking. And lastly, ISC's, which is System Security Certificate Practitioner, is another beginner-friendly certification that covers essential security concepts. Great for those looking to get into security administration. And I'll put everything I just said in the description for you. And these certifications are going to help you gain the skills needed to start your career in cybersecurity. So if you found this helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.